Hello everybody, and welcome to this part 61 of the Arduboy dev stream. Um, so, firstly, today I want to tell you something I forgot to tell you in the last video. Actually, Bitbucket has stopped the support to the Mercurial repository, and Arduous was hosted into Bitbucket. I'm very sad about that decision. I think this is a very stupid decision from Atlassian, in my opinion, because there's not so much Mercurial repository available on the net, I think, and Bitbucket was probably one of the best, I guess, and also I think it was well known for the support of Mercurial. So Bitbucket deciding to only focus on Git. Yes, I think it's suicidal. How to say that? Because basically they just want to compete directly with GitHub, which they are too far from GitHub, right? So everybody goes to GitHub. So why doing a direct competition with GitHub? I don't get it. That doesn't make sense to me. They should have, in my opinion, should have continued to focus on Mercurial and provide a better service. Also, Bitbucket, in Bitbucket you could have a private repository in Mercurial, but all the other web hosting service they don't hosting Mercurial. I mean, they don't often provide private repositories. So anyway, big stupid decision from Atlassian. So I have to say bye bye Atlassian. No, they lost me, and that's funny because I paid at some point. I paid Bitbucket because I had a big project with many people, so I need many contributors. So for a while I paid them. They just lost me, and of course, why should I stay to Bitbucket if I have to switch to Git? That doesn't make any sense. So of course I migrated to GitHub. So anyway, now the Arduboy, the Rick Arduous repository is in Git and hosted in GitHub. I personally prefer Mercurial over Git. I think Git is way too more complicated. You can mess up your repository with Git, and this never happened with Mercurial because Mercurial, all the commit you cannot modify your history in Mercurial, so you cannot create some crazy situation. I used Git and Mercurial in various projects. I used Git in Mercurial also with people who are not technical, like artists and stuff like that, designer, and they freak out with Git, but they were totally okay with Mercurial. They had no problem committing, pushing, no issue with Mercurial and the non-powerful user. Anyway, if you follow that stream, I guess you are a programmer or want to be a programmer. So I guess you are not that afraid of Git. So. Anyway, as usual, the Git repository is in the link below of the video if you want to clone the Git repository. All right, so let's move on what we will do today. Today, I want to add this new sprite because with the arrow launcher we don't need it into the wall sprite, the sprite for the static collision sprite, the sprite for the wall. So I have one free one available slot for this sprite. So I thought about which kind of sprite I needed, and I remember that when I designed screen, the menu screen that you can see here, I felt that I lacked kind of a sprite for the ceiling. So yeah, I thought maybe we can add a sprite for finishing the ceiling. That would be maybe a bit nicer. Okay, so yeah, so I have drawn this sprite here outside of the video, and let's integrate it and make it useful. So if I launch the editor, okay, so we can have some sprite like this and this, and then we can put that under. Okay, so that would be nice to have a kind of random mirroring, to have some variation on that. So yeah, that's what we can do. Also, this sprite is here after the letter and stuff like that, so obviously we need to move it, reorganize the sprite, because sprite order is important in our game engine. Maybe I can just also move it here and move close to this one. Let me, maybe you can show what I'm saying. You can see my mouse here. So yeah, I want probably to move this one here, so then we can group those together. This one also should be with these two actually. So yeah, let's do that. So first I will let's reorganize this. Okay, so I think, yeah, I can move that over there temporarily. So let's move this here for now, and I think I will move that one. Over here, and I guess we should move that down. And this, the small statue head, move here, and then we can move back our big brick block here. Okay, and then the rest is black. Okay. All right, that looks a bit more organized. And anyway, I had to move that because these are special number here, and this one is ignore, and this one is ignore too. All right, let's save that, and then we can export it again. Here and here, here. All right, so it's an 8 by 8. Okay, let's convert. And I will copy that back to the map manager. I guess it's sprite data. Yep. So replace this, and of course the last two we should just remove them. Okay, and then we should reorganize our block. So this one will be after the block split, and the 0 is the new one, so it's a rock ceiling. Rock ceiling, then we have rock 2, rock ground. Okay, then we have rock ground, then stair. Then we have I'm checking again with the the image. Then we have our block. Then we have the small statue, the big statue. Then we have the platform, the ladder. Yeah, the platform, the ladder, the all rule ensure, so disappear, destroyable, and nothing. All right, so this is okay. And so this is reorganized. Let's check into the rendering if we break anything. I don't think so. Oh, maybe yes, maybe we break something in the rendering. So should draw platform. So blocks 16:8 right. Okay, this one. I'm wondering maybe there was a reason why this one was the 0, 1. If it's the case, then we can put the block first and the rock after. Yeah, not really actually. Okay, yeah, I remember. Okay, so we need to change that. The 0 is this one. Actually, I should just put 0. That would be more safe, I think. So 0 and platform. Okay, so this didn't change. Platform, yeah. Right, and then we have the special platform. This didn't change. Platform. Okay, that's the random mirror. Stairs. Big statue, big statue. Okay, so we also want, so if it's less than rug ground. All right, oh yeah, we had a mirror. So that means we also had a mirror for the, yeah, now I remember that's why it's in 0, is because we could have a mirror of the right block. But anyway, rug ground, that means, or rock ceiling will also rock ceiling will also have a random mirror. So I'm wondering if we should put that one maybe here and the rest of the block, and then do the stairs. Well, I think it doesn't matter to have a mirror of the yes, it's the right block. Maybe that's interesting to have it. Okay, so stairs, and what about the, we don't do mirror about, actually yes, rug ground is also mirror. So rug ground, just the stairs, and this block of course should not be mirror. All right, so I think what we could do is something like that. We can put a block here, then the other block, and then the stair just that after the block. And that means we can also mirror this one. So let's change it again. So my stairs are here. Yep. No, not this one. The right block here. Move it here, and then this one. Here. All right. Okay, so that means here everything here up to here can be mirrored, and this one should not be mirrored. And then we have the statue, and then the later stuff, and then the explosive, the destructible block. All right, let's export again. Even if you just I could find it and find the sprite and reorder them, but I'm kind of lazy here. Okay, replace again, remove the two last sprite. And okay, I already reordered them. Okay. I will search this. Just a minute. Yep. Search this. So here, yeah, in the draw static equation. So I think we'll just go for 0 here. That's safer. I think we just want to draw everything from 0 to platform, then to platform, etc. So here was that. I think. Yeah. Let me search again. Get lower sprite walking in. Yeah, this one is correct. I just want to return a collision, so and this one get lower sprite at, I think is also correct. And this one, it's on our draw function, so that one is correct for the mirror. And here, okay. Yep, I think that should be okay. But we probably need to update our map, so let's reload the map and update it. What's this change? And I think we also need to mirror it in the editor. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, they are all I need to change, maybe not. This one is, this one was this one, and this one before was, was this one. Yeah. But now I think I can use that one. And good news, it's mirror in the it's mirror in the editor, which is good news. We don't have to do anything. And this one here. All right, so the later has changed. And this, oops, becomes a layer with platform. Oh, this is this should be a stair. Okay, so in the editor we should fix the logic about mirroring the stair. This one should be this one. And yeah, this one should be this one and this one here. Okay, something like that. Let's save it. Let's fix the editor also. I forgot where it is. Is it in the map? The draw of the map. Probably I need to. Maybe there's an enum for the. Yeah, well, I did this one. So let's reorganize this too also. This one, so that is rock ceiling. And after we have the block, so rock ground, fixing the stairs, the small statue, platform later, arrow and should disappear. Okay. Yeah, I think it's correct. Okay, no reference found. Okay, so here for the mirror, this one should be less than this one, and that's it, I think. Okay, so we got the correct mirroring for the, yeah. Okay. Okay, save it. All right, let's try it. Let's see if we break something in the game. Spy time is drinking time. So yeah, the placement of the stalactite is not great anymore. But yeah, I feel it's a bit better, I think. Very hard to kill the scorpion here. Very hard to kill the scorpion here. Yeah. All right. This should be changed. This also. Maybe I should remove some stalactites. Let's do this and maybe remove that. Or maybe remove this. It's hard to say, huh? Okay. Okay, save it and let's try again. If we need to move some stalactite. Alright, this is not correct. In the middle it's better. Yeah, that's one stalactite here that should be moved down. Maybe this one, the third one can be deleted, I think. Where's the menu? So if you remember, we have hard-coded some stalactite. Draw victory. This is draw main menu. Science tone. Okay. Stalactite. We just draw them, but for the drop, I forgot where's the drop? Where? One, two, three, four, five. Ah, yeah, the drop comes from the stalagmite. Yeah, I remember now. So I think this one is too low. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so the first one can be a little bit more on the left, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Let's say 18. Next one is maybe fine. Third one is fine. This one is fine, but should be higher. So like 16 maybe. Let's try that. Okay. Yeah, this one also should be higher, I think. Like maybe 18. The second one could be even more, like 42, and maybe a bit lower, 16. Yeah, let's try that. This is fine tuning. All right, that's much better. The two last on the right, I think we should move them. So like maybe 2 pixels should be good. This one. Yeah, no, 94. That create too much white pixels, so yeah, let's try that. Okay. Or maybe I come back to 93, but this one 98. Let's try if it's better. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I like it like this. Alright, so I think after that I will commit. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So let's commit this. Alright, so what did we change? We changed main menu, tune a bit the stalactite, but mainly, okay. So we changed, reordered the ID, yeah, of the map. and this one is to fix the drawing. And in the editor we reorder the sprite, so reorder the sprite of the walls, add a new wall sprite in the place of the of the arrow launcher. Sprite ID. Why I have the tortuous diff? The beyond compare diff is much better for comparing image. Anyway, we'll tune Git later. Yep. All right. Let's commit this. All right. So now we can go back to. Let's see what we have in our to-do list. So add a new sprite for the arrow launcher slot, which is done. The main menu sound on off. Help. I'm afraid help. I don't have space for that. And different sound for picking crate, started ground, maybe. Music, maybe. Maybe I want to finish the editor, see if we have some item which is still not in the editor, and trying to do some level design today to see if some stuff are missing. I know there is some stuff missing in the editor. For example, it would be nice if we can just move some sprite, because right now I have to redraw everything, not just move. So let's see. All items is here. So the pickup, so started, the crate, to crate, and the ground. I think we have them in the editor. So we have the crate, the started, and the ground. Okay. Then pickup is done. On destroyable item we have the destroyable block, block fragment is not spawnable, and stalagmite. Okay, so destroyable block and stalagmite. Stalagmite is here, and destroyable block should be this one. I can test that. I think I didn't test it, so let's open it and let's put a destroyable block. Let's remove that. Yep. Just save and relaunch and see if that works. Should works, but doesn't. So destroyable block is not implemented in the editor, I think. All right, I will put it into the to-do list. That would be easier. Destroyable blocks. All right, so what else do we have? Destroyable block, the stalagmite. Stalagmite should work. Let's check. Stalagmite, yeah. Here. Can I die on it? Yes. All right. Yeah, this works. Cool. After that, we have a spike. Does a spike work? I think that works. That's the first thing we have implemented. Yeah. The spike sprite is not correctly placed in the toolbar, but here. But okay, we have our two spike. Sorry. And what else? Spike. Dynamite. No, it's not spawnable in the editor. Arrow ballet, no. Arrow launcher, yeah, it works with the pinky stuff here. And enemies, so we have 3 enemies, they are all implemented. The skeleton, the scorpion, and the mummy. And then we have the stalactite that is also implemented. Alright, so that means only the destroyable block is not implemented in the editor. Sorry about that. All right, so let's look at that. I think this is a special case because that comes from the walls. I'm not sure where we should handle it. Well, the drawing is working, but we have to spawn an item for that. So I guess we need a new item type, which is destroyable block. I guess. So the idea is, I think, if I well remember, I need to spawn destroyable item in the same place as the drawing. No, actually, no. I'm saying something wrong. I can just handle it as an item because now the destroyable item also how to say, they also draw by themselves. So yeah, it's just a normal item. So that's a good news. Destroyable block. We should have check click draw static collision. Yeah, the destroyer. Yeah, it draws their own sprite data. Yeah, Of course, the block is not inside the wall idea. Yeah, okay, so basically this last sprite in the wall ID is useless for the editor. Okay, so that's the good news. It's much easier to implement. Okay, so just add a new one in the item, and then anything here? I think no, nothing special. I can first add the image in the image provider. So destroyable block image. So we'll check the file name. It's destroyable block. Yep. And that should be 16 by 8 or 15 by 8 actually. And which color we should give? Which color? Could be a gray, actually. Let's see what the gray, because this is kind of part of the wall, but not really. Okay. There is no mirror for this. So we add it here. Okay, and then in the item, so the sprite. Okay, the sprite, then mirror, move. get instance name, so instance name. Test block. Okay, so you start by this block. It's a destroyable block. Write the instance. So the class should be destroyable block, I think. Let me check quickly. Yep, destroyable block. Instance name, okay, destroyable block. All right. Yeah, it has a living status, so it has to be added here. Destroyable block, and the checkpoint. So only for Rick. The init. So I guess it's a pretty simple one. So instance name, xy no property, and should respond. No property. Let me check again the init function. Yeah, I think that should be okay. All right, is under. That doesn't change. And draw is okay. So that should be okay. Then I just need to add this into the list where it is. Here, similar type. So destroyable block. Okay. All right, let's try that. Okay. So if I move my destroyable block here, let's save it. And let's try it. we'll check the code also. Let's check the code. Map data. So we have our destroyable block. Init. All right. Let's play it. Here it is. Okay. Okay. There's a bug here. The destroyable should have respawn. Let me see the next screen. Ah, yes, no. I guess we only have one screen. It's because of the grail, maybe. Let's check. We have two screens. 0, 1. Yeah. The menu and the next one. Yeah. So let's just move the grail here just to see if that works. Okay, so now we have 3 screens. Okay. Okay. I'm curious if I put here, I think it does nothing, right? Yeah. It's not supposed to be used like that, so. Okay. Cool. Let's commit this. Okay, so what do we have? Oh, of course, a new map data. One more screen. Okay, so we can just remove that, by the way. I will remove it because we just implemented. Yeah, so implement the destroyable block in the editor. Image provider, give the image and the items. All right, that's it. Okay, so what time is it? 1 hour. Let's do some level design just to finish a bit. Yeah. Okay, so I just want just to finish the stream slowly. Just do some level design, maybe no code. And what I was thinking just before, what I was telling you is in the editor, if I want to move this wall, this wall part here, like the little mountain, if I want to move it one sprite to the right now I cannot. But that would be nice in the editor if I could just select this and just move it. So yeah, that's part of the of improving the tool. And if you have good tool in the level design, then you can iterate much easier. Let's clean some stuff over there. So yeah, that could be our first starting level. Why not? Let me clean everything, and maybe we can do this one as our final destination. So okay. I don't know where I should start. This is really like wow, blank page. What should we do? Let's move him. Let's start here, for example. That's a hard jump to start. Let's focus on this one. Maybe this. Let's put a ladder here. No, this one is useless. jump here, jump there, and but here probably I want to start right here. Oh, that's a bit nasty because very high. If I put it here, it will just be killed. Okay, maybe I can do this. Then let's put another yeah. Okay, so the idea here is to jump here, destroy this one, move back, or you can kill it with bullet, yeah. Or let the stalactite kill him. Then you can move. All right. Actually, I will. Yeah. Let's do that. And stair here. Can I go under here? I'm not sure. Oh, we can try. But I may be blocked here. I can fall here. Probably not if I crouch. Not sure. Let's see. Okay, let's be nasty with that here. And oh, we don't have. We didn't implement a way to. Did we? Ah, yes, we did. To adjust the length of the arrow launcher. Okay, you fall here, and then you have to. That's too hard. To crouch immediately. No, I think you. Or you have to jump. Let's do something like that. Yeah. Okay, I just want to try that. I already want to try actually. Let's save it. Where is my Graal is up over there. Let's put some later for now. Okay. Let's save it. And let's try that. Alright, so, oops, not this one. Okay, I think the AI already triggered the stalactite. So we should move the stalactite a bit to the left, or the stalagmite to the right. What if I do that? It will not. It will kill the. Okay. All right. Now I need to crouch, and then I need to crouch again. Yes. But why the arrow launcher kill me, launch his arrow? There's maybe a bug here. Let's try again. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's the enemy who triggered it. There's one thing I want to test also. Can I go there? Normally not. Oh, yes, I can. Can glitch in the collision. All right, so yeah, let's just at least try to fix a little bit. So maybe no, don't want to do this. Maybe this one should move a bit here. Yeah, and if I reduce a bit, does it work, or is it's really bugged? Let's I will check the code also. So the arrow launcher 47 seems to work. Let's try again. Oh, before the our launcher was working, but it was in one direction. So maybe when it's mirror, there's a bug. Maybe. Uh, it get killed on the stalagmite. Yeah. So I need to add something else. I can do that. Nope. Okay. So maybe we found a bug on the our launcher. Okay, so if I replace this by this, okay. Yeah, I won't fix the bug right now. We'll maybe fix it outside of the stream. Final test. Surprising that the AI was not blocked by the. So maybe I forgot. Maybe I need to put both the block in the wall and I forgot the code. It's very long. Yeah, maybe. What if I do this? Tuk, tuk. Save. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's probably that I should do. Put both. So in such case, I guess the editor should automatically put the two together if the game needs it. Either I place the wall. Yeah, probably I need to place the wall, and it will automatically place the item, or vice versa. I place the item and it set the wall. All right, and here we have. Can I? No, I cannot jump here. Yeah. All right. Let's stop here. Do we have something to commit, by the way? map data. Yeah, just the map data. Not a big deal. We may change it again many times. Maybe you want it, so I can commit it. Update the map. All right, so thank you for watching as usual, and if you have a comment, question, you can leave them in the comment below. Yeah, I'm quite happy because today we started doing some level design. Just start to use the editor. The editor is could be improved for the ergonomy, usability. Definitely, we still may have some improvement that could be done on the game itself, the sound effects, maybe the music we need. I don't know. But I guess first I think we should start to do some reasonable long map and see how much memory it takes. And then after we have that, after we have this kind of level design, we can decide to polish a little bit other stuff. Yeah, also maybe you have noticed that we may have some bugs, like I can go through the left and go through the wall. So there is two ways of dealing with that. So either you just decide to not create that situation in the level design. So you say, no, I don't want to modify the game engine, and this is a bug from the level designer. So level designer, please modify it, add some walls. Or you may think it's okay on the level design and you want to fix in the code. So, but we should remember that every new code we add increases the memory. So sometimes maybe it's cheaper to fix it in level design rather than adding more code. So yeah, it's really a balanced choice here to do. So I'm not very concerned about the fact that I could go through the wall. Yeah, I can just add some sprite on the right to prevent that, or maybe I can also fix it like we have fixed it for the bottom. For the you can walk if you have sprite under the screen. Yeah, so anyway, like I said, thanks for watching, and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.